Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first one stopping by, please don't make it your last by hitting the subscription button. This will be the first video ever on this channel for this year. Yes, you can call me on serious. Yes, I know I'm so disappointed at myself also because I've had so many opportunities to upload videos, but one thing or the other keeps keeping me, drawing me back, especially work. So please pardon me and watch this video. I hope I won't disappear next time. I hope I won't disappear because I keep on assuring you guys that I'm here to stay, but all right, you're welcome to our YouTube channel. If this is your first time stopping by, please don't make it your last by hitting subscription button and turn on notification bell to get notified of posting videos online. In today's video, we'll be learning how to cluster beads. As a designer, as a tailor, as an up-and-coming tailor, you should have that skill of attaching some beads or attaching beads to your garments, to your clothes, to design them, make it appear so sweet. I attended a wedding and okay, so please don't forget to subscribe, hit on notification bell to get notified when I post new videos online, and let's get started. I hope you will enjoy the video. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up so that YouTube will push my video to larger audience. Okay, thank you.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit.
If you stay glued to this video up till the end. All right guys, let's continue. So what I like working with this invisible thread is because you never find out, and it is very easy to pass through the needle's eye. It is very easy to pass through the needle's eye. You cannot. But if it is the thread, normal thread I use in sewing, you will find it very difficult to pass through the needle's eye. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'll bring my beads. So for sake of this video, I have these beads mixed up here. I'm going to be picking them one after the other. I'm picking them one after the other to form this. So we're going to start. So after I was done fastening the thread, I'm going to pass it through here. Through like this. I'll make sure it does not show at the front side. So I'm going to pick one of the beads. So you pass it through and fix it to your garment that you want to design. Then you pick another one. Pick it randomly. Don't pick the same type of bead because you want to achieve a different result. Pick it randomly. Then after this color of bead, I pick the next one. And please make sure you are clustering it. Don't allow any space that is not needed. Make sure you cluster the beads while you are tacking it. So this one I'm picking now is a cup chain. You can buy a cup chain, go to market, then you need a cup chain. Then when you get it, you cut it one after the other. I don't know, there's no clip on how I achieved mine, but you can get it from the market. Then you fix it up. But one thing I don't like about this cup chain is because it does not, big needles don't pass through it. So you make sure you get a smaller needle that will pass through all the beads you'll be using. I think size 12 is recommended. I think that's the smallest size. If it is not the smallest size, please let me know in the comment section. But so far, that's the smallest I've seen. Even though I went to buy that size 12 But the one I got, the second time I got it, was not as tiny as the first one I got. So I think that size 12 is the tiniest. So make sure you pass it through two. There is a hole underneath it. That's where you will pass your needle through. So from there also you make sure you tack it closely so that it will be strong. And other beads you'll be picking, make sure you are tacking them closely so that you get that result of clustered beading. I hope I'm clear. So please, I think I'll not be doing any explanation again. I won't do any explanation again, but I'll leave you to watch what I'm doing so that you will get it. But I think I've explained everything. Cluster the beads, pick randomly, and make sure you have different varieties of sizes and colors according to what you're working on. Okay, I am working on a green fabric. I picked related colors of that green. So you can pick related colors of maybe yellow, brown, whatever related color you have. You whatever color you're working with, pick related color so that it will brighten it. And also that cup chain is very, very important. They call it, is it wearing stone or what? I'm so sorry. But I know it as cup chain and it works. Once I go to the market, I tell them I need cup chain and they give it to me. So that one also gives it a kind of shiny look. So include it, please, when making our budgets for this or going to get it. So I'm going to leave you now to keep on watching and don't skip any parts. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are yet to subscribe. And turn on notification bell to be the first to get notified when I post new videos online. And enjoy your video. One more thing, please. Make sure you make a guideline so you follow that line accordingly. If not, you will come out with a messed up work. Sorry, I'm interrupting the video. But please, it is very, very important. Thank you. Also, it can be a bit tricky passing it through with the thread. So you should be very, very careful not to tangle it because as you can see, I'm struggling with the one that tangled. So try as much as possible to avoid it tangling, okay? Yes.